Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I hope that you're all continuing to stay healthy and safe and well. Before I get started with my video, I just want to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers as well as the OG subscribers for your continued support. These past few years with the pandemic has just been crazy for all of us, and I really loved coming to YouTube and just interacting with all of you, or even through Instagram as well, though I'm not very active on Instagram. But I just want to say I really do appreciate your support. And now I have a Gucci unboxing for you. I'm really excited for this. I always feel like I say I'm excited for an unboxing, but I truly am. I have been stalking this on the Gucci site now for a few months. My last Gucci unboxing, which was that cute little Ophidia key pouch, I actually went in to see this item too, but it was not in stock, and it became in stock. It's in stock right now actually online, and at the not the Holt Renfrew in Vancouver, but the actual Gucci store in Vancouver, in case you're looking for this item. But let's just get into it. So this is not sort of a typical item that I would go for. Typically, if I'm buying a luxury good, I'm going to be looking at handbags and small leather goods and shoes. So this is definitely out of my comfort zone. But like I said, I've been stalking this now for so long. So you can probably tell that it is a jewelry item based on the box here. I have never invested in any sort of fine or fashion jewelry from a luxury house just because I don't really wear jewelry. Honestly, I wear earrings. I wear earrings practically all the time, and then I wear my engagement ring and like my wedding band, but I don't often wear necklaces. When I'm filming, I do, but during the workday, I typically don't. On the weekends, I will, but I don't wear bracelets or anything kind of like that. So it's typically only earrings that I wear. And let's open this up. So I have seen these obviously, but oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. So it comes in this cute little Gucci bag here. It's just like a kind of like a lilac quilted bag. It says Gucci, and then there's also sort of the instructions and the care in there. So when you open it up, there's another little pouch to kind of open up. I love these. Like, when I have that initial reaction and my heart's just beating so fast, oh, I just love them so much. Okay, so I ended up getting these. These are called, let me double check, the Gucci drop earrings with crystal, the double G. So you can see there, it has the double G. Maybe I'll just hold one up, it might be a bit easier to focus. So it has the double G, and then it has like those, I don't know, fake diamonds, and then it has sort of that antique gold, and then it has the clear crystal. So the reason why I got these, I am addicted to Selling Sunset. Let me know if any of you are also addicted to that show, or Selling Tampa. But Heather, who is also my favorite in this last season, she was wearing these earrings, but with the black crystal. And as soon as I saw them, my mouth dropped because they looked stunning on her. She is gorgeous herself, but they looked so stunning on her. So I immediately stalked her Instagram, and I found all the pictures of her wearing the black ones, and then she had these ones on, and they looked so good. And I was debating. Originally I thought I wanted the black, but because my hair is very, very black and I tend to wear black, I just thought that the crystal version might work a little bit better. So I'm gonna put these on for you now. I will also insert some pictures of Heather wearing hers, so you can kind of get an idea if you maybe are a little bit more fair or you have blonde hair, which color might work for you. But we're like up close and comfy right now. But what I'm currently wearing is my ideal stud, which is a real diamond and solid gold, and then I have on my Small Rocks earrings by Ana Luisa. So I am going to take off these ones here. So I just put the pair on, and you can see the sparkle and the shine. I wish you could see it in person because I feel like it is way more intense and it's not picking up as well on the camera, but I mean, it still looks really good. But I typically tuck one side behind like that. You can see that this looks so good with the black hair, so I'm really happy that I picked the clearer or just the regular crystal as opposed to the black. So here they are up close. I'm filming with my phone. I feel like maybe you might get a better idea, but you can see the antique kind of gold color and the GG with sort of that crystal encrusted, and then the clear crystal there. And to ensure that you're getting sort of authentic jewelry from Gucci with these earrings, excuse my disgusting fingers, ew. I just washed my hands so much at work. Can you see that B sort of right in there? So that B, as well as it says Gucci, and then it says made in Italy there. So that's sort of the signs to tell that you're getting the authentic jewelry. So I'm gonna come up close again so you can kind of get the full effect, but it is just so stunning. And because I don't wear a lot of jewelry, I tend to wear more statement earrings, and I feel like this is definitely a statement. I also feel like because I dress really casual, this will definitely kind of glam up my look a little bit, or just add a little bit of something extra. I would definitely wear this with just a hoodie like this too, but you could also dress it up. On Selling Sunset, Heather is always dressed up, and it looks so good on her. And let me pull my hair back, and you can get another idea of what it would look like. Now it's a bit more subtle, but there's still like definite like glam with that GG, but that's what it would look like if I were to wear my hair kind of pulled back. But I typically, unless I'm at work, I will typically just leave my hair down like this. So there you go. If you're wondering if they're heavy, I would say that they are heavy, but I typically wear large hoops, and so I'm very used to it, but they're not uncomfortable at all, I wouldn't say. I feel like they're fairly comfortable to wear. If you're used to wearing sort of bigger earrings, then these will probably not bother you at all. If you are sensitive to different metals, or you can only wear, you know, true gold or gold-plated or silver jewelry, then this is also not going to be for you, because obviously this is not real gold. It's not real diamonds or anything like that. So that's why I was hesitant in buying it, just because in Canada these are $4.95, and then with taxes as well, so you're paying over $500 for, you know, fashion jewelry. But I definitely think that it is worth it. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear these. I love the look of them. So I'm really, really happy that I ended up picking these up. And, you know, like I said, I've been stalking them for so long. I just didn't know if I would want to pay, you know, like I said, over $500 Canadian for fashion jewelry. But I think that I will be wearing these for years to come. So let me know what you think about them. Your true thoughts. Do you like fashion jewelry from luxury houses, or do you only go for fine jewelry? Let me know what your thoughts are, and if you like these, because I think I want to pick up the black pair now. We'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.